I'm Leonard Steinberg of Compass. Welcome to this TriBeca penthouse, which measures over 6,200 square feet in size with an enormous terrace. An entry gallery welcomes you and leads you directly to the main entertaining spaces. This is where you can truly begin to appreciate the loft-like proportions of this grand duplex loft. With 9 oversized windows, this loft is flooded with light all day long. This room is scaled for at least 100 of your closest friends. Seated here, you can truly begin to appreciate the level of design in this home. Monique Gibson did all the interiors. In fact, this used to be the home of none other than Jon Stewart. While this loft has been completely redesigned, it definitely still retains parts of its industrial past. And those are the kind of details that make TriBeca unlike any other place on Earth. The living room flows seamlessly into the dining and kitchen area, which are enormous. And let's face it, they need to be, because food is the focus of life. And this design takes full advantage of that. It is both practical as well as sleek and elegant, with an enormous island, a large range for a professional chef, and then these wonderful open shelves with reclaimed wood. Now let me take you upstairs. You said you wanted more. I'm going to show you more. Upstairs, the mood is much more relaxed, and here being on the top floor, you have all these magnificent skylights that just flood the place with light. This area truly has it all. It has seating for dining, it has a study area, it has a living area, a kitchen, then they all lead onto a terrace. This is the perfect setting for casual living, and it even has space for a grand piano. Dreadful playing, great acoustics. Because you have this amazing outdoor terrace, this is a perfect space for indoor and outdoor gardeners. Here you can take advantage of the panoramic views through TriBeca and beyond in full privacy. Yes, people still read, and what better place than right over here under the skylight? A very intimate moment in the apartment, surrounded by bookshelves. And again, here you see the attention to detail in the millwork by Monique Gibson. This is the master bedroom. It's one of 4 bedroom suites in the apartment. It features a large bedroom, a windowed bathroom, and 2 walk-in closets. And I'm just crazy about this wallpaper. This is a true sanctuary of silence in the middle of TriBeca. More is more, and in this TriBeca penthouse, you get everything and then some. It delivers on every level, providing you a quality of life you cannot find anywhere else in Manhattan.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?